Why the Tesla Cybertruck delays? According to notebookcheck.net, the Cybertruck launch is delayed because of both battery range and stainless steel bodyweight challenges. According to them, even though Tesla just announced its 20 millionth 4680 battery produced at the Gigafactory in Texas, the range challenges might have been behind the Cybertruck launch delay of the Cybertruck equipped with these needed cells. According to sources, the idea and hope was that the Cybertruck deliveries were supposed to begin in September 2023. It's October 2023 now, and we haven't received an invitation to the launch event. According to Walter Isaacson, the biographer of Elon Musk's life, he stated that the stainless steel and the exoskeleton design have presented challenges to Tesla's engineers, which were behind the delay. For years, Elon Musk has stated that he wanted to reduce the dimensions of the Cybertruck by around 5%, which means it would be less weight than originally presented on stage. The Tesla engineers tried various other ways to reduce the Cybertruck's weight for months on end in order to reach their battery pack range goals. They swapped components for lighter ones or tried to shave off the ounces and pounds from Cybertruck parts with no alternatives. Elon Musk, during the Q2 Tesla report, he claimed that the Cybertruck has a lot of new technology in it, like a lot. There's definitely a lot of competition out there when it comes to electric vehicle trucks now, like the 2023 F-150 Lightning, the Rivian R1T, which both provide existing and improved technology that normal gas trucks have, but they also provide customers with new innovative items within the trucks. This is why Elon and Tesla engineers probably need to ensure that the technology within the truck has gotten much better, especially if you want the Motor Cybertruck, which promises a range per charge of about 500 miles. Personally, I would rather have a well-built truck in the Tesla Texas Gigafactory than have deficiencies in my truck, as Tesla had with Model 3 and Model Y cars, especially during production hell. The basic question we all have is whether or not the world will see the Tesla Cybertruck in 2023 or will deliveries begin in 2024. Let us know your thoughts in the comment area. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you in the next one.